In this video, we will see another method to write data to files. So for that, we will use files.new buffered writer. Files.new buffered writer, and here we have to pass paths dot get and then our location of the file. Now we can see what it will return. It is returning buffered buffered writer, and then I'll say writer equal to this, and so it is saying miss convert buffered reader. Oh, sorry, we have to use buffered writer. Instead of reader, we have to use buffered writer, and then you can simply writer dot, and you can say write. Inside this, you can pass your data, and then you have to close this also. So I have closed it. Save this one. So now doing this way, it will add this value to the file. So now I have run it. Let's go and see the file. So in this file, you can see I have this data. This way you can write anything to file using buffered writer. Thank you so much for watching the video.